Welcome to the Beach Show. Today I've got a stellar house at Latitude Margaritaville Water Sound. Let's go check it out. More custom built-ins to match. Top of the line appliances, including this Blue Star. All this fully customized cabinetry in this beautiful kitchen. And the den even includes this custom cabinetry. Stunning large ensuite leading directly to the master bedroom overlooking those water views. And matching custom closets. So much space in the second ensuite. So relaxing. So for more information on this beautiful Latitude Margaritaville home, check out the description below and don't forget to subscribe to thebeachshow.com.